Cheers, boys.
Cheers.
Cheers. Merry
Happy
Christmas.
holidays. Okay, hello everyone. So this is how it's going to work. We have 6 ice creams. They are all Christmas dishes that have been turned into ice creams. We're going to taste them, see if we can guess correctly, write down our answers, tally up the points, have some drinks, have some fun. It's Christmas!
What could possibly go wrong?
What could possibly go wrong? Number 1, are we ready?
Lift the cloche.
It looks inviting.
They're the same.
We got one ball to share, Baz, and they've got the other.
Should we share this ball?
Let's share this ball.
Let's share a ball.
Like a snowball.
It looks inviting. It doesn't
Yeah.
look scary in any way.
No, it doesn't. It's got bits in it. There's texture to
It's
it.
textured.
It's got little purple bits in it.
Cheers.
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 Oh,
Oh.
very savoury.
Oh my
Very
goodness.
favourite.
It's meaty.
It's really meaty.
I know exactly what that is. There's something sweet.
Interesting. I think I've got that.
There's chewy bits of meat in it, and it tastes exactly like what we're talking about, right? I don't mind that. Right, I've got an idea. Let's lock in our answers. I've gone for turkey and cranberry sauce.
I went for pork stuffing.
Ooh. Turkey and cranberry
Oh
sauce.
no!
And I went for turkey and cranberry sandwich because I thought I was getting some bready notes in there, but now I'm thinking it might be the bready notes of a pork stuffing.
How have I messed this up so badly?
This is turkey and cranberry ice cream. Roast free-range turkey, plump cranberries, and ladles of turkey gravy stirred through the finest quality ice cream.
Why?
Close your eyes, savour the flavour, and let your taste buds be challenged. So I like it because they're owning up to it being a challenge, and it is exactly that. You cannot deny taste of turkey unless you're James.
I don't know what happened there. I was. Yeah, I don't know.
1-1-1.
I mean,
none.
I went sandwich rather than sauce, but
Because if it was a sandwich, he'd have made us.
You've got to
half a
give that
point.
to him.
Oh, we're going to give Evans half a point.
turkey and cranberry sandwich.
If that said sandwich.
To be fair, you've added a component.
I was tasting the flour that was actually in the gravy.
Give Evans half a point.
This is a tough game at Christmas.
Evans is taking this very seriously.
Tough game at Christmas.
Round 2.
Let's do it.
Bring on another ice cream.
It's my go. Okay.
Okay.
That is right.
That's got to be a sorbet, right?
It looks more sorbet-esque.
I feel like I know what it is straight away by looking at it. I'm interested. Is this a British brand or American brand?
British, they're from Devon. They have a flavour bible of over 200 flavours. And Granny Gothards are known as the Willy Wonkas of ice cream. So always experimenting, pushing the boundaries. Wow, that is really nice.
It's actually quite tasty.
delicious.
That is really nice.
I really like that.
This is going really weirdly.
I can't work out what dish it is. I've got one thing in my mind, but
It must be a Christmas flavour.
It's sweet. It is really nice and sweet.
Yeah, but so was the turkey.
I know, but it wasn't that. Yeah, it was sweet, but
As we know with a sorbet, you need a good level of sugar to keep it smooth.
really earthy. Do you like that?
Yeah, I do. Yeah,
I think it's great.
I feel like it needs one other thing to bring it back.
Oh, you're such
I
a
think as
chef.
part of a
Evans.
dish, it'd be really nice.
Yeah.
Like I wouldn't have it
In
from
a cone.
ice cream shop in a cone
don't
or
mind
even in
it.
a pot.
But you can make a really interesting dessert out of
Yeah,
it.
exactly. Yeah.
Beautifully smooth.
Yeah.
I think that is carrot.
Roasted carrots. She wouldn't just have a carrot as a side dish, would you?
Are you trying to do me
Unless
out of
it's,
a half
unless
a point?
it's Rudolph's carrot.
Rudolph's nose.
Yeah.
I said carrot and swede.
And I thought it was very sweet, so I put honey roasted carrots.
Oh,
Oh,
nice.
God, boys, I didn't realise we were going into the preparation method.
Shall I reveal?
Yeah, reveal.
Honey glaze.
No!
Carrots.
You said this is really sweet, and that's what
Yeah.
made me think, actually, it's sweeter than even I think.
Extra special carrots for that extra special day. Fresh carrots, local honey, and very little else. The vibrant orange colour is the perfect palate cleanser.
I really like it. I really like it.
You said earthy,
Yeah.
and it is that earthy root vegetable sweetness.
You can taste the honey. It's
But it's-
almost
Yeah,
like,
yeah.
it's almost,
Floral.
it's not sweet, it's the
I
sweetness
didn't
that
have
comes
that
from
word
honey.
until you said it's sweeter than I think, or you made a thing of being sweeter than the
So
last one.
what am I getting then? Half a point for that?
So you will get half a point for carrot.
And you get...
Wait,
I get half a point for roasted carrot,
Yeah,
and
but
he
you-
gets half a point for carrot and swede, raw.
that's not wrong. Okay, James.
So maybe it's a third of a point for honey, a third of a point for the cooking method, and a third of the point for the ingredients.
Who's tallying this
and
up?
you get a third, and he gets 2/3,
This
and
is
I'll
getting
take
brutal.
one.
Yeah, I'll take
Yeah,
2/3.
take that.
2/3.
Right, this is how this day's working now. I get it.
So some of the other flavours that this company produce,
Which I'm guessing are not under the cloche, 3, 4, 5, and 6.
I hope not. Cheddar, cheese and pickle ice cream.
We had that,
Yeah,
Branston, yeah.
we've had Branson. Bloody Mary sorbet. Oh, that sounds great. Miso ice cream.
Yes.
Absolutely. Creme fraiche and horseradish ice cream.
Interesting. Good on like a beef carpaccio.
Yeah, it says immense with steak, so I reckon that would work nice. Sweet potato and marshmallow ice cream. I've tried sweet potato and marshmallow
Thanksgiving
before,
thing,
yeah.
right?
And how about this, chefs? Oyster, rock salt and lemon. I'd like to try
In an
some of
ice
those.
cream?
Yeah, in ice cream.
Yeah, I mean, the flavours work, but do you need the dairy with all of that? I wouldn't normally put dairy with oysters. So, an interesting. Back to your first thing, a challenge.
A challenge, yeah.
Anyway, another challenge?
Another challenge, round
Another
three.
ice cream.
1, 2, 3.
Oh, it looks meaty again.
It's got bits.
I love texture
bits.
in ice cream.
Yeah, but when it's meat, like the turkey was odd. Cheers.
I don't smell it.
Oh! Whoa! It's not bad.
It's not bad.
It's pretty terrible.
No, but you just don't expect it and it really creeps up on you.
I think savoury ice cream
Right, start
for the
again.
future, but this isn't what I want.
It's fine now, I'm ready for it. Oh, it's really familiar.
The chunks are kind of chewy, but also because they're frozen, they're kind of frozen chewy.
Oh, I think I've got it. I think I've got it.
How have you got that?
No, you haven't. But it's bitter. It's got a bit of bitterness to it. It's really savoury. I'm chugging this.
It's a darker ice cream as well. It's
I don't think that's obvious at all. They're little bits of meat.
But it's sweet. It's sweet as well.
That must be because of the ice cream, right?
Yeah, true.
Right, reveal.
hang
Oh,
on.
who cares?
I keep going back and forth.
You've tried so hard for the last 5 minutes and now just given up. Oh, who cares?
It's one of two things.
Yeah.
And I've scribbled out the first and gone with the second.
It's one or two things. Now I've got it.
I've just realised I got it wrong.
No, this is
ready?
wrong.
Because I was so confident.
James!
It's one of two things.
So tense.
Right, ready?
Christmas game.
Yeah.
3, 2, 1.
Cauliflower cheese.
Cauliflower cheese.
I went sprouts and parsnip bits.
I went sausage roll.
What? How have we all gone so different?
I started with pigs in blankets because I thought I got bacon, and then I changed it because I thought I got more pastry, so I changed it to sausage roll.
I said
could also be a
cauliflower
Scotch
cheese,
egg.
but then I said parsnip. But I only think parsnip because it's so sweet. I'm getting cauliflower, but it's so sweet. I think
It will
it's
be
parsnip.
cauliflower. Now you've said
I think it's
cauliflower.
Yeah, I was getting the vegetable funk, which is going like it's a Brussels
What are the
sprout
bits?
tart.
What are the bits?
Well, I put with bacon,
I said bacon, but it didn't taste like bacon.
but it's not bacon.
I
Before
think I've got
test
the
it out.
sausage bits that you were getting, you probably
That's
cheese.
what
but
I-
I-
Oh,
you put
I got-
parsnip
I was
chunks.
tasting pastry, not cauliflower.
It could be cabbage and bacon.
Cabbage.
Right,
It could be
reveal it,
cabbagey.
Baz. You've got the
Reveal,
answer,
reveal.
mate.
Oh, is it me? Oh, Brussels sprouts and bacon ice cream.
Oh,
So I had bacon, but I changed it because they didn't. Those
You
bits
idiot.
don't taste of bacon. Love it or hate it, Brussels sprout lovely.
yeah, 100%. Right,
will
now
be
you know
in
sprouts.
Sprout heaven. I love my sprouts, and that is a
It's
struggle.
Very good.
cabbagey.
It tastes like sprouts. This is one when you know it. Now, yeah.
I was certain
Yeah.
of sprouts, but
That's pretty bang on.
Well
the-
done,
with
man.
the bacon
That's
bits.
very impressive.
They're not salty, or they have a meaty texture. I knew
bacon
there
was
was
the-
meat in it.
The bacon was the bit that stood out to me.
I think it deserves.
in fairness, I scribbled out bacon, so maybe I shouldn't. I don't deserve a full point.
I think Barry gets half a point.
I take that 2/3.
Half a point.
You had.
No, you got
But
50%
If
right.
you think about it,
Yeah, but
there's,
nobody else
there's
got
probably
the right at all,
2/3
so-
sprout to 1/3 bacon in the
So
dish.
that is
James, what are you doing?
I'm just
that
very
is true.
impressed that you got that. Like,
that's true.
In terms of the actual process, are they just taking these things and blending them up and then churning them together with cream and sugar?
I think so.
hand blend into the ice cream machine, cook and cool.
Wow.
I've always said, if you're left over with like half a jar of mincemeat, you've made with mince pies, stir it through ice cream.
Yeah, great.
An excellent option. I'm not sure your leftover sprouts
Unless you want
should
to
be
play a fun
pureed
game
and
with
put.
the family.
Exactly. This might be the new,
Heads up.
Obama llama.
Okay.
Like, we might have invented the new heads up.
Yeah.
Risk. I like playing risk.
This is risky.
Right.
Next.
Let's do another one.
Next.
If you're enjoying this, there are some small things you can do that make a big difference to us. Like the video. Subscribe if you aren't. Click the notification bell and select all. Thanks.
Ready for number 4?
Yeah.
This could be either great or terrible.
Looks lumpy.
We might have a heads up on this because we might have tried something similar.
Yeah, that's what my instant reaction was. And it looks texturally.
Oh no. Look, yeah. You smell it.
One ingredient I've got.
Yeah, one of I've got.
Oh, this is where I take the full point. I'm locking it in already. I just want you to see 1 teaspoon Bosch.
I don't think there's anything other than.
That one thing.
Really savoury, and then lovely little bit of sweetness at the end.
It's really nice.
I like this. I think
and
this.
the carrot one.
Yeah.
Nah.
I'm going to look
Okay.
really silly because I'm so confident. Ready?
Yep, 1, 2, 3, go.
Pea and mint.
Pea and mint.
Oh, I just put pea.
I'm not
And
getting
crossed
any
out
mint.
mint.
You crossed out mint last
Yeah.
minute.
I wasn't.
Oh, that's so
I was-
dangerous.
I was looking for the mint, I couldn't find it.
I think the mint comes through loud and clear.
Yeah.
Loud and
I
clear.
like a sprig of mint.
Loud and clear.
I like
Loud
a sprig
and
of mint
clear.
on most things.
Think
but
mint, you taste it. It's like
I've
spear
been
mint.
thinking it.
I've been thinking mint.
Yeah, I was thinking mint. Right, go, just do it.
Come on, Ebbers.
Just do it.
According to the card, this is pea and mint sorbet.
Boom! Yes!
Simple, understated, yet essential part of your Christmas dinner. Petit pois, fresh mint, nothing else. Clean on the palate, and a little mouthful needed with every spoonful of roast turkey ice cream.
I'd send my Christmas dinner back if it came with minty peas.
Do you not like minty peas?
I like minty peas, but they're not Christmassy. They're spring.
I kind of agree. Spring are
They
peas,
go with fun.
but the challenge is once they come from a freezer, they are that fresh all year round. So they're easy, and when you've got to juggle all your other sides, it's an easy one just to whack in a pan. I'm with them, but I don't put them on my Christmas dinner.
I mean, they make excellent ice cream. I think that's the nicest so far, and the carrot one was great.
Yeah, that was nice.
This and the carrot one, well, that's it. We've had one each.
2 more.
Still 2 more rounds to play.
2 more to go. Right, ready?
Yep, go for
Boom.
it.
That looks appetizing.
This looks tasty.
Looks nilly, doesn't
Suspiciously creamy.
Oh, it's got little.
green.
Oh, it's got green
Green.
flecks in it.
Oh, okay.
Oh, that's so obvious. What is that? Oh,
it? Oh no, what is that?
yes, yes, yes. It's got little. Oh, yes. That is so distinctive.
I've learned that the
Oh,
tactics
yeah,
for this
okay,
is
got
to
it,
be
yeah.
incredibly confident.
And quiet.
It's meaty again. It's.
It is very meaty.
It is really meaty.
Very, very.
I thought I'm between 2 things. I'm between 2 things.
Oh, now I am.
Oh, I was so confident.
But I think there's a spice in this that is confusing me.
Oh no.
It's sending me in one direction or the other.
I am second guessing myself so hard right now, but I'm not picking up my card. I refuse.
Don't touch the pen.
No, I've not written it down yet.
refuse.
I haven't locked it in.
So scared.
Don't touch the pen.
I just want to get one right. One right.
Okay, right, reveal.
Yeah.
3, 2, 1. Sage and onion stuffing.
Sage and star stuffing.
Sage and onions.
Sage and onion
Sage stuffing.
No,
Yes.
No!
I think there's 2 big flavours here, and you've only got half of them.
No,
If it
there's
is
sage
stuffing,
stuffing.
Ebbers has lost a quarter of a point there.
Why?
Brackets. There's brackets.
Yeah, it's not. It's
Sage and onion.
stuffing.
Sage and onion
Stuffing?
stuffing.
Yeah, sage stuffing.
It's not brackets.
Yeah, sage stuffing. Right,
Reveal.
this is sage and onion stuffing ice cream.
And actually, I think one of the nicest so far.
Christmas classic with sweet onions, fragrant sage, and breadcrumbs soaked up in this immense ice cream. So, the thing that confused me was I was getting breadiness, and then I was
Yeah.
thinking, am I tasting nutmeg or sage? So is it bread sauce or is it sage and onion stuffing? And I couldn't figure it out until
The onions.
You
It's
get the
sweet
bits.
onion. It's almost onion
yeah.
flakes. It's not
Yeah.
flakes, but it's almost onion flakes in it.
Oh, yeah, you're left with onion bits.
An onion should not belong in ice cream.
That's
That's
delicious.
actually really lovely.
Yeah.
Tasty.
I
Roast
still
turkey.
don't know where I'd put it, and I wouldn't
No.
want a whole scoop of it on its own.
No.
No.
But it's quite tasty to have 2 teaspoons.
Yeah, it's a good talking point. It's a novelty.
Good. What?
So a point for everyone.
Points all round, next one.
Wait,
Except for the person who only got half of the flavours.
Half a point for Barry.
Flavours? No. So I must get 2/3 at least.
You get half a point.
This I got 2 out of 3. Of the 2 out of 3 words.
Barry,
I got 2/3.
we are making up the scoring as we go along.
I get 2/3.
Okay.
Strong maths, we only have 1 round left to go.
But to be honest, at this rate, it's all to play for.
Okay, last one.
Yes.
Do it.
All still to play for.
Oh!
There's a big chunk in there.
There's a massive, whoa.
Is it more? It looks more sorbet
Well
again.
frozen.
Really tangy, really acidic. Something berry-ish.
That's nice.
Yeah, it's refreshing, that's for sure.
That tastes to me like something I've freshly picked, a bounty load of ingredients that I've frozen and I'm just eating them straight out of the freezer. I don't know what
Yeah.
the other ingredient is. I think I've got this one. I might have to use brackets again.
It's so acidic. It's really nice. I'm going all in that I need to guess something that no one else is going to guess.
But that's what I've done. I think I've just thrown in the towel, basically, by doing that.
3, 2, 1. Red currant jelly.
Cranberry sauce.
Cranberry gin.
Plus orange in brackets. This is
shut
this absolute.
Well, I think it might be cranberry and orange sauce.
Well, I thought that
Or it
too.
could
but
be
It's
orange.
good, I'm getting zesty, pithy orange zest in it, but it's cranberry sauce.
You're full of.
I did for a moment think the cosmopolitan of cranberry and vodka. I did think for a while, but it didn't have the burn, but it has the
there's no
bitterness of an
burn.
alcohol.
Very out there. Cranberry and orange sorbet.
I told you it was pithy.
Let's not forget the condiments. Tangy cranberries cooked in a fresh orange juice and the most vibrant colour. Sweet enough to be enjoyed with a drizzle of dark chocolate sauce if you want to save it for pudding.
I really like that. I thought that was delicious too. Really delicious. Well,
I can see
Ebbers.
that working really nicely with like goat's cheese. Like almost like a cheese board kind of vibe.
I get half a point for cranberry gin.
And James gets half a point.
I'm sorry. You're not serious.
You got a half right.
Yeah, I got half.
No.
Yeah, I got cranberry.
Yeah, I think that's half right, but that's full, right? I imagine this is how
outrageous.
everyone's family games go at Christmas. Lots of arguments about who's in the lead, what the scores are, and who's going to the fridge to get the next drink.
So, Ben.
Wait. I could have said it was apple sauce, and I'm half right because there's sauce. It is a sauce.
I've also been given more information card about the ice creams. All of them made with real ingredients, so a local Devon farm, a mixture of Holstein, Friesian and Jersey cattle, which give you the beautiful, rich, creamy kind of dairy, Devon double cream, Somerset egg yolk, which is Mother Nature's emulsifier to avoid any artificial stabilisers. So they're all hand-churned.
I like the outlook of the company, which is let's try some weird stuff. And some of it works really well, some of it requires probably more of an open mind. But
Sage and onion surprised me.
I love that we've done this.
But this, the pea and the carrot, I think are good combos.
Well, final scores, because we all care about them. Ebbers takes a win with 4.5. Then it's Barry, then it's me, and then it's James. Well done, everyone. That was a lot of fun.
Silly fun.
I feel sick.
That was just a little slice or a little scoop of Christmas fun, but there's been lots more. So check out the playlist down below to see what else we've been up to this December.
Yes, and coming tomorrow, we have Japanese kitchen gadgets, and I tell you, it was a cracker Christmas. Enjoy.
Oh.